Wen from Wen Guo. Welcome to 127 Cypress Street in the beautiful Cypress Walk neighborhood in Pacifica. 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, newer built in 2007. Let's come on and take a look. 您好，欢迎跟我一起参观127 Cypress 新建4房3卫，特别好的平面，一起过来参观一下吧。Newer built in 2007, this 2-level home offers 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, and an incredible location in the private community. Over 2,100 square foot of living space enjoys an open and seamless floor plan, hardwood floors, tremendous natural light, and a floor plan featuring the living room with a gas fireplace, the kitchen with a large island and high-end appliances, and the dining room with a glass door opening to the spacious patio for the outdoor entertaining. 07年新建房，业主自住，精心打理。1楼是开放式居住空間，廚房大島台，高端不鏽鋼電器，雙向通透，自然流暢。新地板，現代筒燈，成間屋舒適又實用。1 bedroom and a full bath on the lower level are great for work from home. 3-bedroom and 2 baths upstairs, including the expansive primary suite with a lavish bath, attached 2-car garage with extended driveway downstairs. It also features a spacious backyard, perfect for the outdoor gatherings and relaxation. 1楼1个卧室1个洗手间，用来在办公室或者客房都特别合适。2楼另外是2个客卧和豪華的主卧套間。不但雙洗手盆、分離式浴缸、淋浴，還有智能馬桶。後院闊落又安靜，可以盡情享受戶外嘅生活。This convenient location offers great access to the beach, hiking, biking, as well as commutes to the San Francisco, Silicon Valley, and nearby top employers. Easy access to Highway 101 and 280, schools and public transportation. 地理位置優越，交通便利，上高速通勤到硅谷的各大公司都非常方便。生活便利，去邊度都好方便。What a wonderful house! I hope you like it. Welcome to our open house, Saturday and Sunday afternoon. I hope to see you. 歡迎跟我一起在周末開放日參觀，我哋隨時喺度等緊你。